Hello, kids! Let's learn prepositions with Bunny. The ball is in the box. In. The ball is on the table. On. The ball is under the table. Under. The ball is behind the chair. Behind. The ball is in front of the chair. In front of. The ball is next to the box. Next to. The ball is above the shelf. Above. The ball is between the boxes. Between. This ball is near. This ball is far. Near. Far. Great job! You learned prepositions. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hello, kids! Let's learn prepositions with Bunny.